Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant stuck on the preparing download screen. Follow these steps carefully and your issue should be resolved. Let's get started. First, open Task Manager. Now in the search bar, type Riot. Make sure no Riot client tasks are running. Close all Riot-related processes. Also check your system tray and make sure Riot client is not running there. Step 2. Now go to the Start menu and search for Riot Client. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Log into your account. Open Valorant and check if the issue is fixed. Step 3. If the problem continues, open the Riot client. Click on your profile icon in the top right. Go to Settings. Select Valorant. Uncheck Enable Auto Update. Now click on Repair. Wait for the repair process to complete. Click OK when finished. If it's still stuck, minimize the Riot client. Open Task Manager again. Find Riot client. Check the Network column. If you see network activity, the game may still be updating in the background. Leave the client open and wait for it to finish. After completing these steps, open Valorant again and check if it's working. The preparing download issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.